Hello everyone, Ryan here. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to apply for the American Express Platinum Card full tutorial. This one is one of the most prestigious and rewarding travel credit cards available. We're going to explore the key features and benefits of the American Express Platinum Card, discuss the eligibility requirements, and walk you through the application process. So by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of whether this card is right for you and how to maximize your chances of approval. The American Express Platinum Card is renowned for its extensive array of premium benefits and perks, making it a top choice for luxury travelers and those seeking an elevated credit card experience. Some of the most notable features is a generous welcome bonus, as new cardholders can earn a substantial welcome bonus of 80,000 membership reward points after spending $6,000 on purchases within the first 6 months of account opening. And this alone can be worth over $800 when redeemed for travel or transferred to partner loyalty programs. There is also the travel credits, as the card offers numerous annual travel credits including a $200 airline fee credit, up to $200 in Uber Cash annually, and up to $100 in statement credits annually for purchases at Saks Fifth Avenue. These credits can significantly offset the card's annual fee and provide added value for frequent travelers. Additionally, cardholders enjoy complimentary access to the American Express Global Lounge Collection, which includes over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide, such as Delta Sky Clubs when flying Delta and Priority Pass Select lounges. On top of all this, the card provides elite status with several hotel and car rental partners, such as Hilton Honors Gold status, Marriott Bonvoy Gold Elite status, and complimentary memberships with Avis Hertz and National Car Rentals. So now that we know a bit about the key features and benefits of the American Express Platinum Card, let's talk about the eligibility requirements and how to access your own eligibility before applying. Before applying for the American Express Platinum Card, it's essential to understand the eligibility requirements and assess your own likelihood of approval. While American Express does not explicitly state a minimum credit score requirement, most successful applicants have a credit score of 700 or higher. However, some applicants with scores in the mid to high 600s have reported being approved, particularly if they have a strong overall credit profile and low debt-to-income ratio. Generally, a higher credit score improves your chances of approval. Next up, we have the income, as American Express does not have a specific income requirement for the Platinum Card. However, a higher income can improve your chances of approval again and may result in a higher credit limit. Applicants with annual incomes ranging from $50,000 to $100,000 or more reported success in getting approved, as the income helps demonstrate your ability to repay the credit extended to you. Of course, a clean credit history with no recent delinquencies, collections, or bankruptcies is crucial for approval. They also consider the length of your credit history. A longer credit history with a variety of credit types can positively impact your application. And lastly, to be eligible for the American Express Platinum Card, you must be at least 18 years old. However, if you're over the age of 21 years old, then you might have a higher likelihood of approval. This age requirement ensures that applicants have the legal capacity to enter into a binding contract. Next up, let's assess your own eligibility. So to assess your own eligibility for the American Express Platinum Card, consider the following steps. You want to review your credit score and report to ensure that there are no errors or issues that could hinder your approval chances. If your score is below 700, then consider taking steps to improve it, such as paying down debt and ensuring on-time payments. Also, you want to divide your total monthly debt payments by your gross monthly income to determine your debt-to-income ratio. A lower ratio of ideally below 30% can improve your chances of approval. Additionally, if you have an existing relationship with American Express, such as holding another card or being an authorized user, then this can work in your favor. Consider leveraging this relationship when applying. And now that we have discussed the eligibility requirements and how to assess your own eligibility, let's go ahead and go with the process of applying for the American Express Platinum Card. So applying for the American Express Platinum Card is very straightforward and can be completed online in just a few minutes. The first step is obviously we want to visit the American Express website, so navigate to the American Express website and locate the Platinum Card page. You can find it by searching for American Express Platinum Card or browsing the credit card offerings. After that, you want to click on the blue Apply Now button to initiate the application process. Fill out the application form with your personal details, including your full name, date of birth, social security number, and the contact information. Provide your financial details such as your annual income, employment status, and monthly housing payments. After that, you want to review your application for accuracy and completeness and then click Submit to send your application to American Express for review. After that, American Express will process your application and provide a decision, often within seconds. If approved, you will receive information about your credit limit and card details. And if your application requires further review, then American Express will notify you and provide an update within a few business days. And with that, we will have reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.